I made you wait.
Today, I will introduce the summer clothes version of Kotobukiya's plastic model, Madoka Yuki.
I didn't see you recently. What happened?
Somehow, my back and neck hurt and I couldn't move, or my presbyopia started and I couldn't see. It seems that dogs are nearing the end of their lives.
I see, you live a long time after saying that. Now, let's talk about the plastic model, aside from your silly recent situation.
A cold-bred bird. The parts look like this. I think it's about the volume of an HG Gunpla.
Fine color coding and tampo printing are beautiful. As expected, it is a Japanese plastic model.
What's wrong? A remark that favored Japanese plastic models.
Actually, the plastic model of the bunny mecha girl made in China last time was wonderful, so I bought the plastic model of the fast girl released one before the series.
Oh, how was it?
The parts are very tightly matched, it needed some processing, and when I tried to change the direction of my neck after assembling it, my joints were so tight that it broke.
Oh.
It wasn't a bad kit, but it was a little difficult for an amateur.
I understand. Let's take a second look and return to the story of this kit. A failed bird. It was completed.
Cute? I want it to be my thing.
3 types of heads can be assembled, and this time there are also upper body parts in a forward-leaning posture. It also comes with facial expression stickers, spare face parts, and bangs parts for wearing glasses, so it's easy to customize to your liking.
I want to dye it in my own color.
As always, there are lots of hand parts. I played with it in combination with a recently purchased movable figure.
It's 1/10 scale, so it's fun to have various items.
You can buy this plastic model for about $60. You should buy it if you are interested. I'm sorry for the rough introduction, but that's all for today. I just changed jobs and my younger boss got angry and it's been a painful day. Let's meet again.
Unusable dog.